All right, guys, the next hired request on the list is Sunshine, Lollipops, and Rainbows from 1963. Let's take a listen. You know, sunshine and lollipops and All right, guys, I am Shawn Cheek of webpianoteacher.com, where we gather together to learn, play, and share the music that we love, creating a culture of encouragement for all of you guys out there trying to learn piano online. You can do it if you pick the right lessons and you know how to practice. That's what I'm here for, to help you do that. If you are a member of webpianoteacher.com, you can download this sheet or any other sheet you want on Web Piano Teacher. If you're not a member, you can also watch all my free Part 1 lessons right on the website. You can get a lot of stuff learned just from the free Part 1, so hop over there and start watching and learning today. However, we're going to start right now on this Part 1 lesson. And it's I kind of made it kind of intermediate here. This part right here. We can do it a lot more difficult if we want to do that, where I'll show you. That's hard. You have those octaves like that. So I'm going to kind of teach it to you two ways. I'll show you that kind of intermediate way. And there are things that we can leave out. In fact, one of our members said today that that's what he'll do sometimes to make something easier. You just leave some things out, but you have to know what to leave out so that it still sounds good, right? So that's totally fine if you ever have to do that, leave some stuff out. Even I will do that occasionally on some things that are really difficult. So I'm going to show you the advanced way, but also the intermediate way. We're going to just do this intermediate way in this Part 1, okay? So let's get to the board. We have a C chord. I always like to look and see what chord we have. Okay, we have a C chord, E, G, C in the right, 1, 2, 5, and I'm above middle C. Left hand is on the C below that, okay? I could even do this C. I like this one for now though, just this C right here. So C, and then 2 right, then the left hand G. Work on that first. Okay, let's do it again. Let's do it again. Third time. These notes are optional. Da-da-da-dum. All right, I'm going to leave them out for a minute. We're just going to our next chord. So after you get that C chord down, right, then we move to our next chord, A minor, A on the 5th finger, and then we're going to add C, E, A after that. 1, 2, 5. And then just the E you're already on. So you really just have two positions, the C chord and then the A minor chord. Right, left hand is moving to an A. You just did C to G. Now you're going to A and to E. Okay? So put our hands together there. We have bum, right, right, left, right. Again. Again. Very good. Now we're going to put them together. Now guys, if you are a beginner or you are new to my lessons, I have what's called all new easy piano lesson series on webpianoteacher.com that'll get you started. Fill in those gaps maybe that you have. If you need to get used to my method, figure out what these charts are about, what are the letters and the curved lines and all the dashes and all that, what that means. Or if you're just a complete beginner and you need square one, you're starting at 0. We all start somewhere, that's fine. Those lessons on there will be of extreme value to you. I even have all 50 lessons, the sheets for it, in one PDF, so you can just hit one download and have all of the sheets for the entire series, because I want you guys to have your beginner lessons if you need them. Okay, but that'll explain chords to you more in depth. You want to know why a C chord is a C chord, why an A minor is an A minor. But, all right, so if we put that together now, okay, we learned, we studied to see what the chords were. Now we're going to spend time playing what we learned. That may be an hour later for you. It may be a day later. But then once we get it, let's try that. Let's play it. And go left, right, right, left. Together, right, right, left, right. Bum. And the speed will come after you play it a lot. After you play it a lot, you'll... Because this song kind of moves along, doesn't it? Later on, if you want to try to put that F sharp, G, G sharp, you'll use fingers 2, 3, 4. So we'd have bum, dun, 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 dun. You can put that in later. But get this part first, get the chords, and then you can add that little da 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 da. That's kind of a little frosting on top you can put in there later. F sharp, G, G sharp, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's bum, 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 da 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 da. You may notice I'm not using any pedal, because we don't want a lot of pedal in this. It loses its pep and snappiness. All right. Sunshine, lollipops, and that's going to happen 5 times. It serves for the intro. It also serves for the verse when it starts, okay? So, guys, there's your part 1 lesson. And again, we'll do the whole thing. And it's pretty extensive, actually. It covers a whole page, a whole sheet of music for this, because there's a key change at the end and some neat little fill stuff that the piano does. Hope you guys enjoyed the lesson. See you on webpianoteacher.com.